This is probably a familiar sight in your toolbox. A good ratchet is always great to have on hand because you can loosen and tighten the bolts in no time. But what if you've got longer bolts that you need to get through? Well, Husky has the universal pass-through ratchet set, and just look at the difference. You can see me through this one as opposed to this one. This is great for getting tightening down nuts that are on long carriage bolts. Now, I've got a socket here and a little area set up just to show you how it works. What you do is look, it slips right over and is able to loosen and tighten that nut on this long bolt. Now, another thing is look how thin the profile is. That means that you can get up into tight spaces, say versus a traditional socket wrench. And also, this has 72 tooth operation, so it's going to do it a lot faster, and with only 5-degree turn, you can get into those tight spaces. So if you need a ratchet set and you got to deal with longer bolts, this is a good option for you.